Hi, this is Shai Wong, representing the Director of Governor Phlips project. It's the first premium high-rise commercial office building which consists of 64 floors with estimated investment of 300 million. Governor Phlips project was really pioneering at that time. My role of a director is to manage project personnel in aspect of the job effectiveness and efficiency. Besides, maintain durable relationship with clients and make efforts to satisfy stakeholders are also my duty to gain long-term benefit for the company. My daily routine including monitoring and controlling every implementation, including construction, preventing risk and problem that might cause schedule slippage and liquidate damage.
Hello, my name is Abdurrahman Al Yusuf and I am the project manager. I have many responsibilities, but today I'm going to share with you my most important responsibilities during this project.
Now let's get into the details. My first task is time management and planning to ensure that the project finishes within the specified time frame. Secondly, setting benchmarks, constantly monitoring and comparing the progress of the project to the project schedule. Thirdly, risk management. Fourthly would be setting up recurring meetings to keep all the stakeholders up to date. My fifth task would be efficient resource allocation. And finally, budget management. To sum it all up, I have the overall responsibility for the following phases: initiation, planning, design, execution, monitoring, controlling, and the closure of a project.
Hi, my name is Miguel Asif and I'm the lead engineer in charge of the Governor Phlips Tower project located in Sydney CBD. As the site engineer, my role is vital to the project lifecycle as I offer advice in planning, coordination and supervision of technical aspects within the phases of construction. My responsibilities in this role vary between analysing problems and conducting research on design details such as height restrictions, climatic conditions and structural integrity, just to name a few. Also, as the site engineer in charge, it is important to note that I am part of the management team, which take responsibility for security, safety and the organisation and supervision of materials and HR. In summary, my distinct role is to ensure careful design of the building and analyse and solve all engineering aspects within the construction processes as per the safety regulation of the respective state or area, being New South Wales, Sydney. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Bao and I'm the Workhouse and Safety Coordinator of the Governor Phlips Tower project. As the WHS Coordinator, it is my responsibility to provide a safe worksite and ensures the workhouse condition of all participating workers, that they are not under any types of risk throughout the construction process. There are a variety of jobs that I do to maintain safety culture of the construction site, including the followings: to publish policies and procedures verifying the approach to workhouse and safety and its monitor complaints. Ensure all workers are provided with effective WHS consultation, and to ensure an effective WHS management plan is provided stating its objectives and target clearly, and to ensure appropriate resources and budgets are distributed to resolve WHS issues such as provision of training and equipment, and also to monitor and supervise WHS performance according to the external regulation and standards, and internal rules and steps, and lastly, to maintain and update relevant knowledge of WHS issues. Thank you.
My name is Jordan Zisimados and I'm the Facilities Manager here at Governor Phlips construction site. I'm involved in the planning prior to construction as well as maintenance, regulation and implementation of environmental sustainable strategies during construction. I primarily manage the overall site services of the construction site, ensuring that it meets and exceeds the expectations of the organisation, employees and clients. My everyday roles include ensuring that the facilities meet government regulations and environmental health and security standards. Another large factor that I contribute to a project's development is the implementation of sustainable practices in all activities such as waste removal and on-site water usage. Managing energy, utility and resource use is one of the largest and most important roles I have. This does not only affect the project cost but its environmental impact. Therefore, reviewing energy usage frequently and carrying out energy audits are activities that I regularly undertake to ensure it meets my standards for the business.
Hello everyone, my name is Phoenix and I'm playing as an architect in the Town Tower project. My roles are to firstly develop the relevant digital and analog materials of the construction project with respect to design drawings and 3D modeling, rendering, sketching and model making done by either using hardware and software. And for example, this is the ground floor architecture plan of our project. So secondly, I have to liaise with the construction management teams, engineers, and contractors, clients, also other roles involved in the construction project to ensure the coherency and transparency of the project and satisfy each party. Thirdly, I have to establish the development journal, which records frequently updated information about the schedule as well as the issues and risks which arise in the project construction process. And also, I have to design the interior components of the building project, including wall lining, ceiling lining, and flooring lining, and other elements. So lastly, I have to plan the landscaping area of the construction site to certify Building Code Australia. Thank you.
I'm Harry Christopher. As site manager, my primary responsibility involves overseeing site activities and personnel. This includes managing the day-to-day construction schedule of the development and conducting daily inspections regarding quality and construction.
Considering that the tower is situated among Sydney CBD and involve the use of high-rise construction processes, I am also liable for reporting to the project manager details regarding progress and potential problems, as well as complying with relevant safety standards and prompting a healthy safety culture amongst on-site personnel through daily toolbox talks. My role also extends to monitoring, controlling and reporting on-site risks that may present themselves during or prior construction of the project, specifically through the use of a risk register, which acts as a repository for all risks identified by grading their likelihood of occurring, impact on the project, and any possible treatment methods available. In addition, my role also includes organising site establishment and mobilisation plans, as well as being able to liaise with relevant local authorities regarding the preservation of the Phlips Street terraces that prompted the use of a cantilevering system, as seen through the site elevation.
As a contract administrator, my job is to manage the contracts and buildings and structures. My role as a contract administrator can be attributed to the following positions: employer's agent, lead consultant, specialist consultant, cost consultant, and client representative. During the operation process of the business, I have to take responsibilities for the following acts: the invitation of tenders, deal with several levels of workers within an organization to solidify and analyze an overall contract strategy. I have also to make sure contractual payments are done, analyze and report risks which contract changes may affect the organization, ensure the conditions and pricing, provide construction progress reports, and define schedules of defects.
Hello, my name is George, and I'm the financial manager of this project. As the financial manager of the project, there are certain responsibilities that I need to achieve throughout the entire construction process in order to keep the construction process well supplied. Firstly, I need to monitor each phases of the construction process from the financial perspective to make sure nothing goes wrong. And secondly, I need to control the budget of this project and make sure that the cost of the project will not exceed this budget. Thirdly, I need to give a financial report every once in a while to let the client understand how much has been spent. And I also need to make a full-scale cost schedule of every construction process according to the WBS. And at last, I need to keep track of the overall spending of this budget to decide what to do with the leftover of this budget. And that is basically all I need to do. Thanks.
As HR manager of Governor Philips Tower project, my primary responsibility includes monitoring and ensure every party and person pay their role correctly, safety, and avoid conflict between two party or person due to different goal, personality clashing, emotional intelligence. HR manager responsibility and role at the project Governor Philips Tower include workflow planning, managing employee payroll benefit and compensation, resolving disputes, managing employee relationship, ensuring equal opportunity, making sure staff familiar and suitable and well maintained, and maintaining and attracting the right person within the construction industry.